So let's take a look at how online payments work from the perspective of a student. In this case, I'll go ahead and register for one of the donation-based online offerings. You can see the registration button here. Once I click that, I'll get the pop-up to enter my name as a student. Next, enter my email. Enter a donation amount. In this case, I'll donate $5. And you'll see that as soon as I enter an amount, a credit card field pops up here below. You also see that there are fees associated with credit card processing. So in this case, this event was set up to pass the fees along to the student. You can also set them so that you absorb the fees as a teacher, in which case the fees would not be passed along to the student. But since I set them up to pass along to the student for this event, you'll see that the total is now $5.70. I'll now go ahead and enter my credit card information, enter the expiration date, enter the CVV code on the back of the card, and then finally a postal code. Now I can go ahead and register. And you'll see that I get a confirmation window saying you registered for restorative yoga, and then says for me to please check my email. Now you'll see that when I go into the back end of my site as the teacher, and I go down to the client payment section, you'll see that there was a new payment that was made, $5. So it shows up immediately. It tells me who the student was that registered. I can also manage this payment very simply by clicking on the Manage button. And you'll see I get a number of options. I could refund and cancel, I could just refund, or I could never mind and just leave it as it is. So OfferingTree allows these very robust payment features so that you can easily accept payment for any of your online offerings, whether they're workshops, they're one-on-one appointments, and it's all handled very seamlessly here in the back end. Additionally, the student will automatically be emailed a receipt, and you will also be emailed letting you know that someone's registered and paid for one of your events. So we hope that this feature makes it very easy for you to accept online payments for everything that you have to offer.